Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Our next problem is from 2001 AMC question number 6. Figure ABCD is a square. Inside the square, 3 smaller squares are drawn with the side length as labeled. The area of the L-shaped region is... So what we can do to solve this is just find the area of all the other pieces. So this one, and this one. We can find the area of the larger square, subtract out these 3 smaller areas, and noticing that these two look the exact same, we can just divide by 2. So keeping that in mind, we know that since this is 3 and this is 1, the side length of this square is 5. So our expression becomes 5 times 5 minus 1 times 1 minus 3 times 3 minus 1 times 1. This is 25 minus 2 minus 9 is 14, and we divide by 2 to get area of one of these, which means our answer is A.